Hey guys, it's Jill down at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change, rig ready Rams, and now we buy Ram. Just wanted to show you the newest Jeep. It's a 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee L, so let's take a peek. Under the hood, you are going to have your 3.6 liter engine. The whole front end is completely redone since it is a new body style. You do have LED headlights on this one, and then your 360 camera is going to be right there. You do have front park sensors as well. Coming down the side, you are going to have 20-inch rims on this one, keyless entry on either side, and you use it a little bit different than we used to. And since it's the Grand Cherokee L, it's going to be a little bit longer because you are going to have third row seating in this one. Backup camera here, hidden hitch as well, and then of course rear sensors on this one. So at the back here, as you can see, you do have the third row, but you are able to pop those down if you want, so you can have a larger back space here, and then you have a little bit of storage underneath here. But other than that, we're going to go check out the interior of the Jeep. So inside this Jeep, obviously it's fully redone. You are going to have heated and cooled leather seats in this one, and then we'll just go right to the screen area here just to show how completely different it is from the older generation Grand Cherokee. So you have the button for the heated and cooled seats right there with 3 settings. And of course, you're going to have a heated steering wheel as well. Dual climate control in this Jeep, but you actually use this little switch to put it down or up on either side. And then same with the fan. You just push it up or down to go through the different fan settings on this one. And then obviously screen completely different as well. Super responsive. You're still going to have your Sirius XM on it. Save all your favorites right here. Navigation looks a little bit different, but I almost think it looks a little bit better. And then of course you also have this little vehicle feature on it. You can do like your forward facing camera on here, of course your back one as well. You can press this button and it folds the third row headrest. And then the most fun thing as well, if you're on your camera here on the front, obviously it's going to get dirty. You can press clean camera and it actually washes it for you, so that's kind of fun. You also have lane departure in this Jeep, and of course the buttons for your park sensors right there if you want them off. We'll just go to the apps here. All sorts of things like off-road pages in this Jeep. Then right in here where it's hidden, you have some plugins, and you also have a wireless charger, which is nice. You can just place your phone in there and then cover it so nobody can see it if you want to leave it in there to charge. New dial to go like through park, reverse, drive, all that stuff. And then this little knob right here, you can actually go through the different settings like the sand and mud, snow, auto, sport, all that good stuff. And it'll also put it on your cluster as well. Of course, storage right there. And then you are going to have a full panoramic sunroof in this one. You do have the buttons for that there. And then another cool thing is this rear view mirror. You just switch this and it shows you a little backup camera there, which is fun. All the vents are different, of course. Dash is different. Still going to have your Alpine sound system in this one. Forward collision warning, adaptive cruise, everything you could want in a Jeep. It is a limited, so it is going to be fully loaded. And then you can have 2 things going on at once if you like. Just kind of depends how you want it set up. But other than that, we're going to go check out the back seats. So in the second row of this Jeep, you're going to have heated seats. So those are buttons right there for that. You're also going to have rear temperature buttons there, so everybody can be comfortable and have it at whatever temperature they want. Cup holders right here, and then of course you can walk through right to the third row back there. And then these seats also do slide forwards, back, kind of whatever you want. They fold away. Pretty handy to have. And then we'll just hop into the furthest back seat and then we'll be done. So in the last row of this Jeep, you're still going to have a whole bunch of leg room. This is with the seat all the way back. You do have plugins on either side here for your passengers. And then another cool feature that they put in this new body style is if you have kids in the back seat, you actually have this camera that you can access on your screen, so you don't have to turn around. You can just peek at them through your screen, through that camera there. But other than that, if you want to make this Jeep yours, you can give us a call at 780-942-3629.